Good morning, class. Today I'm going to show you again how to log in through Seesaw. Your assignments are going to be on here. I really like for you guys to use to turn in your website, to turn in your work on this website only, so it can be real simple for you guys, just one website and that's it. I post the other stuff on Google Classroom just in case for a few of you that still having trouble. You can turn in your assignments through there. But hopefully this video can kind of help you guys make it easier for you guys to sign in. I did text your parents the login codes, so if you guys misplaced it, just send me a text and I'll send you your login code right away. So once you're here, you're going to click sign in as a student, and then you're going to go here to the bottom where it says text code, and then you're going to type in your code. So here's mine for the demo. And then you're going to click go. So here's going to be your dashboard basically that you're going to be seeing. So in the activities section, you're going to see all the assignments that are there from all that we've been doing this whole day in summer school. And today's lesson is going to be, for math, is going to be on coordinate grids. Okay, so right here in this video, let me exit out of the screen. This will be a video on YouTube explaining the coordinate grid. I would really want you to watch this first. It's kind of a good little review of what we should have done during the school year, and I believe we did. So you remember the x-axis, the y-axis, the ordered pairs. And then when you complete your assignment, right here on the bottom, it's going to say a little plus sign with add response. This is where you're going to click to work on your assignment. So you'll go ahead and click here, and your paper is going to pop up. When your paper pops up, you can zoom in if you like to help you right here. But you can also write on the text. Like you can type in your answer. See here with the letter T. You can start typing in your stuff, your answer if that helps. Again, there's my assignment right here on the bottom. You have the pencil, you have the marker. If you want to write on the page, because some of them you are going to have to write on the page. And if you look here on the side, it's only 2 pages, both English and Spanish. So like I know here for question 20 through 31, you're going to have to mark your answers on the grid. So this is where you can use the pen, and you see you can change the how thick the point is going to be, and you can also change the color here on the side. So like if you're going to graph your stuff right here, be sure you use the mark, or like since it came out real small, I can go to the thick one, and just put my point there. Okay, see how you can mark on your stuff for today. And then like on these answers, instead of you having to use the mouse to write it like that, an easy way that you can do this is go to the text box. I would start off making it bigger. So if I'm going to answer question 12, for example, not saying this is the right answer, but I can type in my answer like this. Right? And then I can go here and use those little points. And I can drag, when you see the cross, you can drag the whole thing, and then I can drag it right there. See, and there's my answer. If I'm going to do another text box, I click the T again, and then there it is. And, I can start typing in my answer. So hopefully, that can help you guys do your assignments on there. The little hand, like if I'm doing the pencil and I want to click other stuff, the little hand is a good one to use to navigate through stuff, so that way you don't mess up your whole assignment. And you have your undo and your redo button here on the sides. But basically for math today, just complete questions 1 through 31. And that's pretty much it. They're pretty simple today. This is going to be your math assignment. Now in a little bit, let me go ahead and show you what you're going to do for reading. Oh, also, once you're done with your assignment, you're going to want to click here, the green check mark, and it's going to be turned in. It's going to say teacher's going to review it. That's fine, and that's it. And in case you ever forget what to do, the instructions are right here on the top. Right there, view instructions. So let me go ahead and show you what you need to do for reading now. So again, here's your reading assignment on Seesaw, and on this one you have your short passage here again today, and it's going to be 2 pages again. You have a question right here. It says, what can people learn from visiting a place unknown? I'll be sure to fix that. I didn't type it right, but what can you learn from visiting a place that's unknown? Well, what can you learn from there? So when you click right there, that's going to be your reading assignment. If you want to make this bigger, you can click right here where it says view original, and it's going to open a new tab right here on the top, and you have the reading passage here right there. This is your question. I need to retype it, but here's your question at the end of the reading. This is what I want you to focus on, is what can people learn from visiting unknown lands? That's what I want you to answer. Now, the way you can answer this question is, and I'm going to show you here on the responses. So again, I just switched tabs. Right here on the bottom where it says add response, I'm going to go ahead and click it. You have a story map here. You're going to have a little story map that's right there. I want you to give me the main idea of the story. Give me 3 important details from the passage that you read, and just give me an overall summary of what you were reading. Now, like I showed you, you can use the text box here. Like I can move the text box. And go ahead and get the little cross. Oops. So you can type your answer. Again, there's the cross, and I can try to put it here. If it doesn't fit perfectly, that's fine. You can type in your answer like that. And if the text is too big, you can always fix it to make it smaller. Right here. So you can start typing in your answers like that. Or if you want, you can send me a picture right here. You can take a picture of your stuff that you do on the, if it's easier for you to do it on paper pencil, you can draw this thing, the map, on your notebook, and you can send a picture of what you did through here. So when you click the camera should pop up, or even on your phone, and then it'll send it to me here. Or if you want, you can go ahead right here where it says the mic, you can click on the mic and you can say your answers to me. So if you're gonna write the main idea, if you want to say it instead of writing it, you can put that there too, and that's fine. Or if you want to, like I said, just give me your answers in an audio response. That I'll accept that too. That's fine. So you can send it to me audio, you can type it in, and you can send a picture of the map in case you want to do that. Once you're done, you're going to click the check mark right here, of course, when you're done. So basically, in a nutshell, that's all you're going to be doing for today. I already posted I did post the assignments again on Google Classroom, just in case some of you are still having trouble with it for whatever reason. You can have this as a backup right here. It's the same exact thing. Like, this is the reading assignment. See, there it is. Here I put the Google Docs in case you want to type in your answers, and then here is the story elements. So you see, it's the same thing that you'd be doing on Seesaw, except on Seesaw, instead of you typing it, some of you can actually, tell me your response audibly. You can say them instead. So there's your reading assignment, and then for math, here's your classwork for math right here, the video, and then there's an ordered pair for math. So they're on both, but please do them on Seesaw. It's a lot easier. Now, another thing that I need you guys to do today is, once you're done with your assignments, like for math, this is the math Google Classroom. You are gonna have to go on to Imagine Math today. Yesterday we should have done Reflex. Some of you couldn't find your account, and that's fine. This is just for the future. When we go on to Reflex, here's the username for the teacher. right there, and then you find your name. It's not gonna be the one you guys use during the school year. It's gonna be this one for us in the summer. Okay, now if you want to go in through Imagine Math, you're gonna have to log in through Clever. I did put the Clever website here, and so that we can log in and do your Imagine Math for today. Now, I was told this morning that they want you guys to be going on to Mayan. So you can also go on to Mayan right here through Clever. And again, it's on the summer school math one. I'll be sure to put on the reading one. But log in through Clever, do your Mayan station from there. And speaking of stations, they are going to want you to do iStation today. So as soon as you're done with your reading, as soon as you're done with your reading assignment, please log on to iStation and complete some iStation assessment tests that they have for you. So be sure you finish that. So for sure, again today, Imagine Math and iStation as far as your computer tech is concerned. I am going to be online from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, we do need to have our attendance check-in at 10 a.m. and then we'll meet again at 11 a.m. so that way, I'll see how you guys are doing, and if you have any questions, we'll go from there. All right, guys, so that's the assignments and stuff for today. Good luck.